In this 84th video, I talk about reciprocity. What is reciprocity? Exchanging things with others for mutual benefit is referred to as reciprocity. Reciprocity can be two types. One is positive reciprocity, negative reciprocity. It is a social norm. Responding to another's action with another equivalent action is known as reciprocity. As I already said, it can be in a positive way or the other way, that is a negative manner, negative way. Positive reciprocity means returning a favor to an action shown by another person. When a person gives something to us, we respond positively, we try to give him in kind something which is good for him. That is called positive reciprocity. In case of negative reciprocity, when a person does something, when a person acts, when a person does something for us, we respond negatively, that is, we do something which is not good for him. That is negative reciprocity. So, it is a very social norm. Most of the time, people will have positive reciprocity, that is, they exchange things for the benefit of both the people. If one person gives something to the other person also gives or returns something which is good for the one who has given you. Returning a favor to an action of a person is what we refer to as positive reciprocity. Similarly, punishing a person or returning a bad thing or returning a thing which affects the other person badly in return to his action. His action may be positive, his action may help us, but even then, in spite of that, we give him exchange with a thing that affects him badly. This is referred to as what we call in social system negative reciprocity, that is returning something bad for a positive thing. It is mutual exchange of privileges between two people. The law of reciprocity is very unique. When people receive something, they feel compelled to return the favor in kind. This is law of reciprocity. The reciprocity principle is very important in social systems. People respond in kind or cash to a nice behavioral pattern of his friends or relatives. When people behave properly and when their behavior is very lovely and acceptable, then we respond positively and we give them something good for him in cash or kind. This is called reciprocity principle in social norms. The law of reciprocity is one of the powerful law in social systems because it is one of the determinants of human behavior in the social system. So, depending on the nature of the person, he can respond positively or negatively to an action given by another person. For an action of another person, we can respond positively or negatively, what we call positive reciprocity or negative reciprocity. Anyhow, in the social system, the reciprocity is the basic principle, very important principle, and the law of reciprocity stands very high in the hierarchy of the social system and social norm. So, dear viewers, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much, dear viewers.